Hello, hello. Welcome to part 2 of the America's Thrift Supply. I just wanted to come on and tell you a few things real quick before we get into the video. Tomorrow night we will not have a video as I am going to that estate sale at our local jewelry auction. So excited. It is full of Victorian, Art Deco, vintage, just the kind of stuff that makes me go all giggly. So I'm very excited about that. I'm going to be there pretty much all day. It's going to be super hot, so I'm not going to have a video. But I will have a video on Thursday and show you what some of the pieces that I got. Thank you for coming back and seeing part 2. This is actually a very good bag of America's Thrift Supply. Be sure to watch it all the way into the end. I do have some specials at the very end that you might be interested in. So if you see anything in this video, be sure to give us an email to shadingY@gmail.com. In that email, I need the timestamp of a piece you're interested in, along with the description. If you have a purchase from us, we need your mailing address. I won't hold it without your mailing address. And so that's just what we need to hold pieces for you. Very simple. We do our invoices on Saturdays. If you need something quicker, all you got to do is tell us, but we'll hold it for a week. And then it is all combined shipping. If it's under a pound, it is a $5 shipping. If it's over a pound or outside the United States, it's based on where you're located and how much it is. If you look below in the description area, it's all in writing how to purchase from us. Just click on the more and there it is. Thank you again for watching. Let's see some jewelry and have a good one. And we will see you on Thursday, Eastern Standard Time at 10 p.m. Have a good one. Looks like we have a Lucky brand. I like this one. Let's see if that's, yeah, that's jadeite. It is a lobster clasp. There is a flower with rhinestones. Let's see if there's any missing rhinestones. There is on the little edges of the flower. And then this is like a hammered silver and gold. But that's what it looks like. The rhinestones in the center. There might be one missing right there. But still, I'm going to say let's do $8 for the Lucky brand. All right. This is a tie bar. You put your tie through here and you hook this on your button. And this is like a little chain on the outside of your tie. And so ultra 80s. I'm going to say let's do $5 for the tie bar. We have a stretch bracelet in pink, $1. We have chain, let's leave that there. We have another tie bar, and you put your tie on each side so it holds your tie together. And this one I don't see a name either, and I'm going to say $5 on that one. It's a butterfly tie bar. Then we have no name. It is magnetic, and it's like a faux Pandora bracelet. It is a size 6.5. And I'm going to say, let's just do $5. Push the earrings to the side. There is a lot of earrings. This is a fashion ring stretch, and it's a leaf. And I'm going to say, let's do, it's adjustable. Let's do $5 on that one. We have an Alex and Ani here. Really pretty square beads that have, these are iridescent, and it is stretch. I mean, not stretch, it's adjustable. And I'm going to say, let's just do $5. Man, this is like a serious amount of bracelets. This one looks like a hand painted. It is magnetic, size 8, and I'm going to say just $1, but it's interesting. Now here we have a wrap. Let's see. That's an earring. This is Lizu. These are pretty. Let's see. It's a wrap bracelet. These are jasper. And then these are halite. And they get bigger. And these are jasper, I think. Let me check. Yes. And then you go to these. What are these? These are the jadeite line. And then we have metallic. And it's just a wrap bracelet in lots of different beads. Like so. And I'm going to say, let's just do, I mean, there is some that are loose over here. So I'm just going to say $5 and you have all these beads to use. And then here's another one. Same brand. And I think these are just glass. Yeah, these, it's just wrap. And then these are metallic and wrapped glass beads. And it's in a tan color. This one was in gray. The other one was in gray. And on this one, I'm going to say it's a little rough too. I'm going to say just $5 on that one. All right. Oh. That's the end of the bag. Let me get rid of that. And then we'll see if there's anything else left in here. This is the Christian fish, and it's adjustable. And I'm going to say just $2. And then we have, what's stuck on here? There. A peacock. Let's see if there's anything missing. There is not. Isn't that pretty? There's the back. That is just a sweet little peacock in silver tone. And I'm going to say, let's just do $3. Okay. Here is a Cheyenne bracelet with a feather and braided leather. And it is adjustable from about a 6.5 to a 7. I'm going to say $4. Then we have a pair of fashion earrings that are faux turquoise. I'm just going to say $3 on those. We have a little frame with roses, and you just push the picture up and you cut it to the size you want, like so, and it's a little frame brooch. I'm going to say $5. We have another, no, this one is not Alex and Ani. This is Made with Love. and it's an L, and it's adjustable, and I'm going to say $3 on that one. Okay. Oh, here's another of the L and E, and this one is Jasper. Aren't those pretty? They are faceted, and I'm going to say $6 on that one. All right, let's see if we have any matches, because we have a lot of earrings. I'm going to take these down, and then I'll be back and see what we can find with the earrings. So this is what we have. So I'm going to try to see if we have any matches in here. Okay, first off, that should be easy enough to find, you would think. So this is all by itself. So I'm just going to say $1 on that one. And then obviously this one's by itself. And the back of the earring came off, so it's just a piece of wood. So just $1 on the wood. Another piece of wood. And this is a clip-on, just wood. Actually, I should just put these in the ones. Okay, so the 2 pieces of wood is going to go in a bits and pieces. However, this one is going to be $1. These 2 match, and they're just like brass tone, and those are going to be, let me give you a length on them because they're kind of large. 2.5 inches by 1 5/8, and those are going to be $1. Then we have these clip-ons that are not signed, but they're round, and they kind of look like CCs, but they're not. They're just completely round. Those are going to be $1. All right, we have just a pendant that is not magnetic, and it's like an arrowhead. And I'm going to say, let's do $4 on the arrowhead pendant. Now these have $3 on them. They are shell, and you're going to have to get your $3 off. But those are going to be $1, and they're 2 1/4 inch by 1 3/8 of an inch. So those are $1. This one I don't see a match to, so that's going to go in bits and pieces. Here is Crimson Tide, Alabama, and it must have went on something, so it's just going to be in bits and pieces. This is Happy Holidays, and it's just a little disc, and that's going to go. And it says made in USA, Hog Eye. I have no idea. That's going in bits and pieces. This is just one that I see this color. So that one's going in bits and pieces. It's a pretty earring, but it's just going in bits and pieces. Let's see. I only see one of these, and this is cufflinks, but I only see one, so that's going in bits and pieces. This is not an earring. It's just like you tie this on to like a belt or something. These are acrylic. That's going to go in bits and pieces. This is going to go with these because there's 3 of them. I'm just putting these all together for $1. This one doesn't have a match, so going in bits and pieces. These match. These are going to be $1. I don't see a match to this one. It's going to be bits and pieces. These do match. Let's see if they have a name. They're actually kind of cool. No, it's blue. All right, so these are going to be, so cute. They're like hammered, and then they have these little station beads on them. Yeah, it's definitely blue. So these are 2 inches, and I'm going to say $10 on those. And then this one doesn't have a match, so going in bits and pieces. That's a shame. This one doesn't have a match, but it is a shoe clip. But it could be a cute little dress clip or purse clip. Yeah, I don't see the match, unfortunately. So that's going to be $1. These match, but, oh no, they're the same. No, they're not. Ah, what a shame. This one has 4 little spikes. This one has 3, so obviously some broke off. So that's going in bits and pieces. These match. Oh, this matches that, what is this? There was a brooch. Ouch. That these match. Aren't they sweet? So these are going to be their earrings, and they're like shells and enamel, and I'm going to say $4 on those. These match. Let's see if there's any missing rhinestones. There is. I can see it already, unfortunately. Missing rhinestone right there. That's going bits and pieces. I don't see the match on this one. This is so odd. So that was it. So that's going in bits and pieces. This doesn't have a match, but that's going in bits and pieces. This one does have a match, however, it is broken, so that's going in bits and pieces. This is pretty. These match. These are like confetti. These are really pretty. These are long. They're like confetti and then tassels. They are 3 inches long, and I'm gonna say $3 on those. This doesn't have a match. Sadly, this one does not have a match, but how cool is those? Those are colored shells. So that's going in bits and pieces. This is going in bits and pieces. Oh, wait. This one might have a match. Yes, not going in bits and pieces. So these match, and they're just little orange earrings. Those are cute for Halloween, and those are going to be $1. These match. These are pretty. Let's see if these are stone. They're glass. Aren't those pretty? With the rondelle in the center. I'm going to say $2 on those. All right, these go with that. This is a brooch. Isn't that pretty? It's a brass painted brooch, and that's going to be $3. Then we have this USA flag pin back. That's going to be $1. We have another flag that's going to go with the other flag, so both of those together is $1. This is the back of one of those earrings that is clip-on, going in bits and pieces. This is odd. This is part of that leaf, and that's going in bits and pieces. These match. Let's see if they're all there. And they are. Oh, these are nice. And the bottom of the leaf moves. And these are going to be $5. Those are pretty. All right, this, let's see. This doesn't look like it has a match. So that's going in bits and pieces. That's going to go in bits and pieces. I think it's part of that leaf. We have a little acrylic ring in pink. It's a size 9, and that's going to be $1. I think these have a match. Let's see if they're all there. Missing a rhinestone at the top. Yeah, it's a shame. And it's missing a dangle. All right, this is going in bits and pieces, and there's the dangle. So that's part of bits and pieces. These are cute. So little hearts with a little rhinestone studs. Those are going to be $1. I don't have a match for this one. That is too cute. It's like a little beehive, and that's going in bits and pieces. This magnet is going in the trash because it's coming to pieces, or it's going somewhere. This is a little slice, and that's going in bits and pieces. This doesn't have a match, and it's going in bits and pieces. This little map is going in bits and pieces. These are little pen backs. These are little beads that are like Pandora beads. So they only want 3. Let's see. I don't see any more. So those 3, 4. And they're not Pandora. They're just faux. And I'll do, let's see if that one. These 2 purple ones are not magnetic, but these 2 are. But I'm putting all 4 of these together for $5. We have another little pen that says Upward, trademark. Then on the back it says something source in Taiwan, and that's going to be $1. Then we have this little bow clear. It's a little headband, little rubber headband. Head barrette, and that's going to be $1. This doesn't have a match. This doesn't have a match. No match. No match. No match. Actually, this one does have a match. Well, aren't those cute? Let's see if there's any missing rhinestones. Oh, there's not. Okay, that's nice. So those are going to be $2. And they're in black at rhinestones. Let's see. The little flip-flop does not have a match. That looks like sterling. Let me test that. These do have a match. These are going in bits and, oh, that's a little charm. So the sandal is a charm, and that's not going in bits and pieces. That's going to be $2, and it's a little charm with a lobster clasp. These four are going in bits and pieces. Ah, let's see. So that goes like that. That goes on there. Okay, these are Lucky Brand. Okay. Earrings, but they need to be fixed. But I'm going to sell it all together. That's Lucky Brand. That's Lucky Brand. It is missing this red. I don't see. Oh, there it is. Is that the same color? Yes. No, maybe not. Let me see if there's any more of that. I think these are all together and they're all Lucky Brand. However, there's bits missing. I don't think there is bits missing. There is possibly one chain missing. Let me see if I see a chain. I thought there was a chain here, but I don't see it. So these are actually just all going to go in bits and pieces because I can't piece it together, unfortunately. So these are going to be $1. Aren't those cute? Studs. Let's see. I think these are all individuals. Yeah, the keys are a match. So these are going to be $1. These are all going in bits and pieces. These are going in bits and pieces, bits and pieces. Sadly, this cute Christmas earring is going in bits and pieces. I'm going to see this chain. Is magnetic. Whatever this piece is, I don't know. It's going in bits and pieces. All these other little pieces are going in. This is going in. So is this and this. Cute little bead, but it's going in. I don't know what that is. It's going in. And all these little bits and pieces over there are going into the bits and pieces. I believe this is the only sterling piece in the whole lot. Let's see what it says. It does say 925. So this is going in our sterling scrap. And look at this. This says, let's see what this says. IBB 925 Thailand. And it is a horse, Pandora style IBB sterling silver charm. And I'm going to do $10 on the little horse charm. Okay. This is Bits and Pieces, and this is 7 ounces. It's going to be $7 if anybody's interested in the Bits and Pieces. And then I have been collecting this, and it's pieces of glass, bracelets, necklaces. And this is like almost 13 pounds. There is some really nice pieces in here. But it is all glass or gemstones. And on this, it's going to be $16. And that's available. And then another thing that I have available is I have 4 priority bags full of mixed jewelry. And those are going to be $15 plus $9 shipping. And they're as full as they can get without being dangerous. And so I have 4 of those. So 4 full of priority bags. And these bits and pieces and glass. So if you want any of those, just let me know in an email. Hope you enjoyed this. I haven't done a America's Thrift Supply in a long time, it feels like. So hopefully you enjoyed it. Definitely give us a thumbs up, subscribe below, and thank you for spending a little bit of your day with us, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.